Hi guys, in this section, I'm going to be showing you how to make your videos, how to make your post pop up in the search results on whatever platform you are using, most especially on TikTok right here. Whenever people are searching for furniture products or whatever you sell, your videos are going to be popping up in the search results, because if your videos is not popping up on search results, that is also not good for your business. So when your video pop up, when people search furniture makers in Lagos or Lagos furniture maker, your video should be popping up. Let me show you an example of what I mean. As you can see right here, you come to this search bar. From this search bar now, let's use the word, okay, furniture marketing. You understand? Which is what we do right here. When we type furniture marketing on our search results. So let's go and see. As you can see, this is one of our videos. As you can see, let's go again. Maybe we are going to see another one as a furniture marketer. Let's, okay, as you can see, this is another one right here. As you can see, we do this for one furniture company. Tell the person you are a liar. As you can see, this is another one of our posts. This one that is swiping is another one of our posts. So if you keep swiping, you're going to see more. Okay, you see it? As you can see, prayer is the only thing that you need to do a successful furniture business. My dear, you are doing a so this is exactly what I am trying to tell you. So let me show you how to do that so that your videos also will be popping up whenever people are searching for what you do. If you're selling a furniture product, you don't want to joke with this aspect. So now, before you post, this is what you want to do. So let's assume this is the furniture showroom, which you're seeing my face right now. Let's assume I want to do that. I just want to use it as an example. I'm just going to use this as an example. As you can see, after you video whatever you want to video and you've clicked on next, now you're going to see this interface. Let's assume you want to video L-shaped chair. The chair, you are going to video it. Now, once the video the L-shaped chair, if it is TV console, if it is center table, if it is dining table, if it is whatever product you see you want to do, make sure you give it a nice short video. And once you're done with that, the first thing you want to do is you want to give the title of what you want to post. The first thing is what? L shape. Let's assume this video is an L shape. I'm going to write L shape sofa. Do you understand? So whatever description you want to put in it, again, regarding the L-shaped sofa, make sure the L-shaped sofa is the first thing you put. You can just type L-shaped sofa for your home. If it is L-shaped sofa in Lagos you want to put, that's also good. Now, that's the first thing. Make sure whatever you want to post is included in your description. The second thing you want to do is hashtags. You click on hashtag, you put hashtag L-shaped sofa, L-shaped sofa. You see it, you just pick it, hashtag Lagos furniture maker. You can do that also. It's still part of, you just have to pick the hashtag that align with what you are doing. You might also type in hashtag shares, hashtag whatever you want to post. Just make sure it shows much in it. You understand? These 2 or 3 hashtag maximum is okay. 2, 3 is okay. Now, the next thing you want to do, this is the second thing, is this edit cover which you're seeing right here up here. You want to click on it, on the video. Once you click on it, this edit cover, now you are now going to put the same thing on it. You can just pick any of these title cover, this thing. Just pick any one of it. Let's assume I pick this things. We are just going to write the same thing in it. L shape sofa. I guess you see this. So we are going to also bring it down. Do you understand? So in your video also, sorry, let me go back to the video. You must include it. In your video also, you must include it. Let's compare this video. L-shaped sofa. I guess you can see. You just drag it up or down, whatever it suits you. I think you can see it. This is the first one you want to do before any other one. So the one on the video is the first one, which I did just now. This title, the description rather, is the second one. And the other one which I put on the title at front of it is the third one. I guess you can see that. So that's exactly how you are going to get it done. So by doing this, writing L-shaped sofa right here on the video, I think you can see it. L-shaped sofa in the description, L-shaped sofa on the hashtag, and the cover photo L-shape. It is going to be making your video pop up on search results whenever people need your product. If you want to advertise your whole company, just type furniture company in Lagos. Make sure every of the title is typed furniture company in Lagos. And I hope this helped.